to the function of an operating system. An operating system provides three essential capabilities. It offers IU through a CLI or GUE. It launches and manages the application execution, and it identify and expose system hardware resources to those applications, typically through a standard of IPI. Every of IU is every operating system requires IU, enabling user and administrator to interact with the iOS or IIS or in order to set up, configure and even troubleshoot the operating system and its underlying hardware. There are two primary types of IU available, the ICLI and GUI. In terms of DCLI or terminal mode window provides a text-based interface for user rely on the traditional keyboard to enter specific commands, parameters, and arguments related to specific tasks. The IGU or the desktop provides a visual interface based on icons and symbols where user rely on gesture delivered by human interface devices such as touchpad, touchscreen, and mouse devices. The GIU is mostly frequently used by casual or end users that are primarily interested in manipulating files and applications, such as double clicking a file icon to open the file in its default application, while the CLI remains popular among advanced user and system administrator that most handle a series of highly granular and repetitive commands on a regular basis, such as creating and running scripts to set up new personal computer or PCs for employees. Now let's proceed to the example. The first one is the application management. An operating system handles the launch and management of every application. These typically support an array of behaviors, including time sharing multiple processes or threads, so that the various tasks can share the available processor's time, handling interruptions that application produce to gain a processor immediate attention, ensuring this enough memory to execute the application and its corresponding data without interfering with other processes, carrying out error handling that can gracefully remove an application processes, and performing memory management without disrupting other applications or the operating system. The second one is the device management. An operating system is responsible for identifying and configuring and providing application with common access to underlying computer hardware devices. As the operating system recognize and identify the hardware, the operating system will install the corresponding device drivers that enable the operating system and application running on the operating system to use the device without any specific knowledge of the hardware